Give you my heart.
Good morning, you guys. It is 7 something in the morning, and I am headed to drop JJ off to wrestling practice. It is on a Sunday, and yes, he has practice today on a Sunday. He had a meet yesterday, and he won. I am so proud of him. I will insert a clip here somewhere so I can see part of the match because I didn't film it. I just got insert clips from his teammates, so I will insert those to show you guys.
Go, JJ. Shoot. He's crossing his feet. I know.
Take a shot, JJ.
There you go. Drive. Drive. Switch. Switch. Come around the way. There you go. Yeah. Probably. Hard hat. Get in tight. Circle to the head. It's called a bundle. There you go. Fine. Drive. Right to the side, to the side. Go, 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 go. Lift his head, look up.
Probably. Why was there so much eye contact?
But he got practice today because they have a game on Tuesday. So he wants to get them 2 days practice in. So, not a game, a meet Tuesday. So,
Hurry up.
this is my handsome. Boy, it's just now 7:30. Don't hurry up me. And you leave out the house at 7:50. You have to be there at 8.
That's the person that didn't even wake up on his own.
Yeah. I had to get him up. Exactly.
But I got ready before you somehow.
Because I didn't need to get ready. You the one needed to make sure you was ready. I could just throw anything. You see I still got my bonnet on my head. Boom. That part. Anyways, I'm about to go drop him off. And come back home and do some chores. We got some
Chores!
home decor and stuff to do. I will actually record the video to show you guys how I decorated for Easter. It's just super small. Oh, did you?
Right.
Oh, okay. Shorty showed y'all. So, let me get
I wasn't put a bra on. My titties feel long today.
So, y'all, we made it home from running some errands. JJ had his wrestling practice. I wonder if I could take this chalk paint and run it across here. While you playing. Anyways, we went to this place in Southfield. It's like a vitamin place that is pretty much a vitamin in a cup. And it tastes like a Flintstone vitamin in a cup to me. Tiff don't like it. Sorry. Because she said it smell like pee. It tastes like a Flintstone vitamin.
No, the fuck it don't. Flintstone vitamin.
It tastes like a strong Flintstone vitamin.
It tastes like a Flintstone vitamin with 2 punches.
In a cup. In a cup.
In a cup. Yeah, that's
In a
right.
cup.
In a cup. That's exactly what it tastes like.
But she said
You right.
it smells and tastes like pee to her. It don't smell or it tastes like pee to me. It tastes like I'm drinking a bunch of vitamins. So next time I would get it, I'm gonna try a different flavor and get a small one. That big one is too big. But I was already feeling nauseous and sick to my stomach, and she thinks the vitamin drink made me feel worse. But I don't know. I don't know if that made me feel worse or not. But I know I feel a lot better.
Doctor knows best.
Huh?
Doctor knows best.
Whatever. She's not the doctor. She's not
Yes,
the
I am.
doctor. Anyways, have y'all caught Coming to America? On Amazon, the new Coming to America 2, part 2, whatever. Anyways, Coming to America 2, I absolutely loved it. Down from the black excellence to the comedy to the wardrobe. It wasn't better than the first one, but it was still a good rendition.
It was more comical, like the other
Right,
was more
and
serious.
I still feel like it played good off of part 1. I feel like part 2 really played good off of part 2 played good off of part 1, in my opinion. I enjoyed it. Tiff enjoyed it. I liked it.
I watched it twice.
And she watched it twice. I'm going to watch it again, but we're going to watch Tom and Jerry now. But I enjoyed every freaking minute of it. I wasn't going to be able to make a sandwich if I wanted to.
I can make you one.
Yeah, with that corned beef.
Do you want one or not?
I'm good. But the movie, I enjoyed it. I thought it came out absolutely amazing. Eddie Murphy did his thing.
And don't fucking talk shit about something.
And Pixar, or not Pixar, or Paramount, whoever was the producers or whatever, I really feel like they did their thing on that movie. I enjoyed it, every bit of it. She over there talking mess. I'm not paying her no attention.
I don't care.
But y'all, we've been doing a little little stuff. I'm gonna share
Then I
that
asked your punk ass if you want one.
in a video.
And then you gonna say yeah when you got it on camera.
I said, no, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I don't want a sandwich. I was being funny when I was
Well,
like,
it ain't funny, goddamn.
when I said I wouldn't have been able to get a sandwich anyway. But that crazy
ain't
ass only made 3 sandwiches.
No, I mean because I kind of knew how much.
Oh,
That one was.
you said for the week. That wasn't gonna last you for the week.
I got 2 and I got 3.
But you about to eat that one right now.
Maybe.
I thought you meant for the week for work.
No.
Oh, but so we doing a little home stuff. I've been shopping, trying to find like new wall decor, and the at home and the home goods really didn't have nothing that I want, and I don't want to settle. Some of the stuff that I already have on the walls are things that I already have, but I kind of want to change it out and update it. But I did see some things on Z Gallery website that I like. The only thing is that I don't have a Z Gallery near me. The closest Z Gallery is 4 hours away. So I would have to order it and pray that it don't come broke. But what I might do some DIYs. DIYs. I said it right the first time. I think I might do some DIYs and make my own paint canvases to switch them out because it'll be more feasible and save money since I want to switch them out. But right now I'm getting the house together for Easter. I will share that with y'all. Y'all might have saw in the background some yellows and some pinks. That's because that's my theme. But I will share the video with y'all of me putting that together. So if I'm not showing y'all much of the background, it's a reason, because I'm going to share that on video. How I was able to just use what I have with a little bit of things to get the house Eastery, springy, festive, and try to, you know, make a little changes. But the one change we did do, if you guys haven't saw a video from a few months ago, we did paint the fireplace. It started turning yellow from the stains, so we repainted it. And so hopefully it won't turn yellow this time, because I was reading online that the stain is what, like the sealant is what makes it turn yellow. So hopefully it won't turn it yellow this time. If it does, I'm probably gonna have to buy a regular paint versus chalk paint and paint it with a regular paint. But we about to shampoo this carpet real quick because we're dogs. And with dogs, you gotta shampoo the carpet. Having pets is an unfortunate situation because you gotta shampoo the carpet. But my battery about to die, so let me switch it out real quick. So y'all see this vacuum cleaner right here? I bought this off Amazon last year, like a year and a half ago or a year ago, and it's like the knockoff of version of the Dyson. I would recommend just buying the Dyson. And the reason why I say that is because it sucks okay, but it doesn't hold a charge and it clogs up too fast. So when I go to vacuum the floor, I have to stop in between sessions. But This vacuum here, I would just recommend sticking with a Dyson. That's just my opinion. This is what we gotta do, y'all. We gotta shampoo the carpet often because of our puppies. Y'all see, they scared of the vacuum cleaner and they're scared of the shampooer. But if y'all wasn't so messy, we wouldn't have to do this so much. But it's a little pet vat. It works pretty well. If y'all got pets, y'all understand. Y'all see how dirty that water is? We're probably gonna have to go over it again. But that is that. Y'all see my face? It's sweaty. It's oily. And I'm tired. I know she's tired too. We just did our what we gonna call it? Our pre-spring cleaning. We did the pre-spring cleaning on the carpets and the floors. We should. But this ain't no peace money, is it?
No.
I was about to say. We just shampooed the carpet and cleaned all their potty pads and all that type stuff. So we did a lot today. And y'all know shampooing the carpet ain't no joke. I showed y'all the shampooer. I didn't show y'all the stuff that we use to clean with. Just in case y'all want to know. We used, might be in the laundry room. So I bought this stuff called Whip It. And it is the bomb dot to the con. It's, so we use this stuff right here and some regular carpet shampoo stuff, as well as y'all probably see this regularly. This red bottle, we pre-soak with this because it's like a urine eliminator. It like helps like the enzyme, break down the enzyme that comes in that's in pet urine, and we use that Whip It pet spray and some regular carpet shampooer stuff that we put in the pet shampooer, the little pro pet thing that we bought, and it works amazing. It even give you like little dust balls and roll the dust balls into dust balls because our apartment gets really dusty, and it also got that up. But we use that, and I also got this to use in between like spot cleaning. And it's called Whip It. Y'all, I got that off Amazon. That shit is the bomb dot to the con. When I tell you that shit works immaculately, it works immaculately. Like the carpet feels like 10 times better. But if you're a pet owner, you gotta clean your carpet regularly. I was just asking Babe, like how often should we clean the carpet? And I guess most people average for cleaning their carpet maybe every season, and she was saying every season. But I think it depends on how like messy your pets get, I guess. So every season will be ideal. Oops, sorry. I was moving.
You didn't even have to move.
Every season will be ideal. But I guess it'll be every season depending on how often.
Where the light come from?
The living room.
But it don't look like the whole light on. I don't know where. So,
Probably something blocking. I don't know. Blocking the floor. She retarded, y'all. So y'all see my hair. I had to come out the head and that sweatshirt because I got hot as hell. But I would recommend doing your carpets as often as needed, but on average 3 times a year. We didn't do the stairs because we don't have the thing for the stairs. So more than likely, I don't know what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna get an attachment or call the carpet people.
better call the carpet.
We're gonna call the carpet people to probably, you know how you call them and they do parts of your rooms and the surfaces that they can get to plus the stairs. So we'll probably do that. So, and that would be double cleaning, which will be good because we have animals and we have pets. So it's not saying that our pets just completely pee everywhere, but you don't know what they're doing if you're not here. They do have accidents. We do have potty pads down. We do have potty patch, but they're pets. And sometimes the pets may have accidents. You cannot cannot not say they don't have accidents, because I know ours do. So I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I'm not gonna fake it till I make it. Our pets have accidents, but that's where it comes in with the owners, where you train them and you clean up. But for most parts, 90% of the time, they go to the potty patch or the potty pad, and they use it on their potty pad. So relatively speaking, they're pretty good on that aspect. But it was time to clean it. Spring is coming, so the last time I think it got shampooed was in December, either December or November. That's when Tiff shampooed it. So it was time. Here we are in March, and it was time to do the seasonal cleaning. So now the house smells really fresh. I got candles burning. It smells like whatever the shampoo stuff smell like, and bleach, because I had to bleach the little tan little patches that the potty pads it on. But we're about to go take our showers, watch a movie, and relax for the rest of the day. I'm not cleaning up nothing else, and I'm not messing with that fireplace today. We will finish that off another day. I will finish recording my Easter decor or spring decor / Easter stuff another day, because today just ain't the day, because I'm tired. My back hurt, my nose burning from all that bleach, my eyes are burning from all that bleach, and I don't feel like cleaning up nothing else, because cleaning the carpet, baby, ain't no joke. So on that note, I'm gonna let y'all go. So I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Adios. Oh, I gotta go shampoo my hair. I forgot about that. I don't feel like doing that, but maybe I'll just do a cold wash and put it back in some braids. Who knows? But anyways, on that note, I'll catch y'all in another vlog. Good night.